Okay, we're gonna do a fun little song with these two notes, right? You've got C, you can see up here, right? You've got the note D, and right here, you can see the music that we're gonna play. That's how it looks when it's written on the musical staff. So there it is. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna play this with a metronome. We're gonna play it in time. And I'm just using a metronome that's on my phone right here. And you can find tons of free metronome apps. This one I paid for, has some extra fancy features, but all the free metronome apps are awesome. You don't have to pay for anything, or you can just find it online, or you can buy a physical metronome. That's even cooler. So I got my metronome going here. Hopefully you can hear it. And I'm gonna play along. Let's do the first one with note number 1, C. It's this top line right here, okay? Here I go. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna stop my metronome. Let's talk about what I did. You can see that it's those notes that look like this. Those are called whole notes, and those get 4 beats. So it's 4 beats of sound. So for every click on the metronome, I'm gonna think 4 of those for each note. And then what do you see right after that in the music? There's that little square. That's a whole rest. That means we're gonna do 4 beats of silence. So 4 beats of sound, then 4 beats of silence. And then we do that again. Sound, silence, and then we have that last note giving us some sound. So why don't you try it with me? Play along. Okay, we're playing this song right here. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 measures. And play along with me. Ready? Don't forget to breathe through the corners of your mouth after you get your armature set. And then tongue at the beginning of every single note. Like saying T at the beginning of every single note. Good firm chin, cushion, teeth on top. Wrap the lips around. Push down with the upper lip. And T. Start the note with a T sound. Tip of the tongue to the tip of the reed. All right, let's play it right here. The note number 1, our C note in time. 1, 2, ready. One, 2, 3, get set. Ready. Very nice. And to stop the note, all I did was take a little breath in. I don't want to take my tongue and put it back on the reed. That would be a bad sound. It would create this sound. You kind of at the end, and you don't want that. So you just take a breath in to stop the sound. Just stop your blowing. Okay, now let's try it on note number 2, D. And the music's right here. Okay, you notice the notes are a little higher than they were earlier. Okay? It's the same idea, just with thumb 1, 2, the D note. I bet you could play it with me straight away. Let's do it. Listen to my sound. Match what I sound like. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Breathe. One, 2, last time. Very nice. Do you want to try one after the other? Let's do the top line. We'll take a little 4 count break, and then we'll do the bottom line. Let's do it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. C note, 3 fingers. Third time. Let's do the next line down. Ready, go. Notice I lifted 1 finger up for the D note. Two, 3. right. How'd you do? Wasn't that awesome? You're playing music. That is so cool.